Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out yet another one of my videos. Nothing's going on the Red Demon, man. I wish I could give you guys some kind of news on it, but not really nothing. I'm going to Mustang Week next week, not for the whole week. And also, I'm going to look at some of the vendors down there, so somebody might have something I need. I do know that Fox Restorations will be down there. They're the ones that puts on the Foxtoberfest every year down in Kannapolis, North Carolina. I'm going to go ahead and scoop up a battery tray for this thing. While I'm down there, go ahead and get one of those bought. That way when we get back, we can get that thing installed. But yeah, man, nothing's going on. I did get an oil filter today in the mail. I'm sure this one right here is going to work because it is really short enough to be able to clear everything. So if this does work, guys, I'm going to go ahead and order another one. And the reason why, because I'm just going to run some oil through the car just to make sure I get all the, crap, whatever's, I got left behind in the motor from when we've done all the work to it. So I'll get another one ordered if that one works. Now, I'll be going down Thursday afternoon, coming back Sunday. Pretty much really the only day that I'm going to be doing the Mustang Week thing, unfortunately, this year is going to be Friday, the car show. I got to do the car show, man. So I'll be down Friday morning, and I'll probably stay to right around 3 or 4 o'clock, and then I'll cut out and head back to the room and hang out with the family the rest of the time I'm on vacation. But yeah, if any of you guys are going, man, drop me a comment down below. I know there's going to be some YouTubers down there. I'd really like to meet some of those guys in person. But yeah, man, holla at me, and I'd love to come and check out some of you guys' cars and meet you in person, man. It'd be awesome. We're going to take the 2000 GT, of course. This is the wife's 2000 GT, guys. Some of you don't know, they're new to the channel. 5-speed, stock 4.6. Car runs good, man. No issues. It needs to be cleaned out, cleaned up a little bit. She's been sitting in the shop for a while, but I'll get this thing prepped and ready to go. Check the oil, coolant, transmission, rear end, all that good stuff, man. Check the air pressure in the tires. Most definitely, guys, if I can give you any good sound advice, always check your spare tire. Always check the air pressure of your spare tire, man. You don't want to be one of them kind of people that take a flat off and come to find out your spare tire is flat also. So I'll get everything checked out real good on this car and get her prepped up and ready to go. And like I said, hopefully we might run into some vendors down there that might have some parts that we can use on the car at a good price. So I know last year that's where I got the Redline tuner hood struts for her car, and I also have a set for this car here sitting right over here in that tube. We'll get them on and installed whenever we get the hood back on the car, but got a brand new set of Redline tuner hood struts right there, or excuse me, Redline tuning, I'm sorry. But yeah, get those on, we'll get the hood on, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, it was cheaper to buy those things down there at Mustang Week than it was to order them, so that's why I bought them last year. But yeah, if you guys are going, man, look for me. I'll be around there. I'll be the one drooling. If this is going to be any of you guys' first year going, you're going to have a blast, man. It's always fun every year. I've been going for a long time, and I've seen this thing grow to what it is now, man. It's awesome. But it's cool to be able to go down there and see the evolution of the Mustang, from when they first started producing them up until now. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, I'll be down there, man. Nothing really going on the Red Demon, of course, as you see. So hopefully when we get back, we can get started back on that thing. But that's all I got for you guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. I'll probably have something uploaded when I get back. I'm not going to be trying to edit videos and upload videos while I'm down there, man. I want to go down there and enjoy myself. So I'll most definitely post a video when I get back in. But that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you, man. And I will catch you guys in the next one.